Hello, welcome back to the weekly webinar of Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. Well, just to confirm my audio as well as let us welcome the speakers today. So, Ms. Bridgie, are you here?
Yes, Deepa, I'm here.
Hi, hearty welcome to this session, and let us welcome the resource person, Mr. Bhagwati. Are you here?
Hi Deepa, yeah, I'm here.
Hi, hearty welcome to the weekly webinar. And my audio is clear, right?
Yes.
All right, thank you so much. Well, the speakers are ready. My audibility is also clear here. So now let us directly go to the webinar session. First, the introduction of Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. Basically, what are the softwares with which Rajlakshmi is playing around, and what are the services with which Rajlakshmi is serving the society or the market. So basically, Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited is into Tally ERP9 to Tally Prime and accounting software, and we are into SAP Business One, a key for every business solutions, and we are into Bitrix CRM, a customer relationship management software, and we are into Skill India, a government project which is specifically concerned for the education and employment of children. Well, this is the software with which we play around, and beyond this, there is one more software which is really on demand. So I really wanted to specifically specify this separately. So that is Tally on Cloud, a software which is supporting you to sit anywhere and everywhere and no distractions onto your work. Well, these are the softwares. Now coming back to services, what exactly the Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited do with this software? It starts from sales, it goes to support, it goes to solutions, customizations, and beyond all these things, advisory services. Actually, it is really a most important thing when there is a particular sector which really comes onto the right space and guides the organization what software is the right software on the right time, and what services are the right services on the right time really matters. So that is advisory services, and we are here to support you completely in terms of softwares as well as in terms of services. Well, beyond all these things, again, there is one more an important thing, that is a system is always a very important thing for any organization. Specifically, we have to look for the situation and scenario basis. This is a pandemic scenario. So in this scenario, there are something like many organization which was not in the picture of work from home or sitting anywhere and everywhere and working scenario, etc. So when we talk about that, yes, Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited supports you to completely systemize or organize your system with the HR services, that is human resource management services, to your organization. A complete system will be set up by Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. And also in this pandemic scenario, the reach is really most important. The person, the market, the people should know that you are actively working. Nothing has affected you, whether it is a pandemic scenario or business ups and downs, nothing has affected you. So to make that reach, we even support the organization. We are providing the digital marketing services. So transform yourself into digitalization, which will really help you to understand to understand the market that you are actively working. So well, these are the different things which Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited is providing to support the organization, to support the individual, and maintain the business in a normal way and in a productive way. Well, this was the quick introduction and what we do exactly and etc. things about RSPL. Well, now coming back to the offer part, yes, as every time I say you all this, that every week we are giving offers onto specific product. So request you to be connected with us everywhere. Specifically, as I said, digital media or social media is really a very important tool, which is a specific mode which really shows the market that you are really active. So that is what I must say here. We are providing you offer on and on. So to know all those things, you are supposed to stay connected onto our social media, digital media, etc. So you can check out the comment box. There are the details of the contact number, support contact number, and the website details, the email ID, the support and solutions email ID, as well as the YouTube channel link. So request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel and do follow the Moments of Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited, which is really going to be more productive for your organization. Or if you are an individual, yes, as an individual also you can be benefited by our channel. And for more information, request you to please go and visit our Google, and you can just type Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited, or else you can just type www.rajlakshmiworld.com. You will be getting all the details about Rajlakshmi World, as well as you'll be getting all the channels like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, etc. So there, stay connected to know about the offers, to know about the movements, what is happening into the software market, solution market, and services market. Well, that's it. Let me not take much of more time onto all these things. Let us directly go to today's webinar. It is really an undemanded topic, that is TVU. Onto Tally, that is Tally Virtual User. What is this and how this is going to be benefited to every organization and every user. So let us welcome the speaker here. So Mrs. Bridgie, request you to please introduce yourself and you can start up with your today's session. So it's over to you, Mrs. Bridgie.
Yeah, thank you, Deepa. Hi, good afternoon and welcome everyone. With my small intro, I'll start today's session. My name is Bridgie Matthew. I'm from Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. I have 10+ years of experience in Tally. So we'll start today's session. In case in the session, if anyone has any questions or queries raised, so please raise up your hands or you can put up in your comment box. We'll address the same at the end of the session. So we'll start off with the presentation of the today's topic, Tally Virtual User. Deepa, you are able to view my screen?
Yes, it's visible, Bridgie. You can proceed.
Okay, yeah, thank you. So we'll start the presentation. This is Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. We are having 15+ years of experience in Tally, and we are a 5-star certified partners of Tally Solutions Private Limited. This is our team who are dedicatedly providing services for Tally. Now, today's topic, Tally Virtual User, TVU. It is a new policy or new pack which has been launched by Tally Solutions last year, but it came into effect from 1st May 2021. In this session, we are basically going to understand what do you mean by the term virtual, who are the Tally virtual users, why and when did Tally launch the TVU pack for its customers, the purchase process and its commercials. So basically understand the term virtualization. So what does this virtualization mean? It is actually an environment wherein we use or access Tally software through tools like remote desktop, thin client, Tally on cloud, or any other web browsers like Citrix, AWS server, etc. Now in this virtual scenario, the Tally software is not actually installed or operated from the local systems of the users. So all the users, those who are actually using this tool, virtualization tool, are called Tally virtual users by Tally. We also like to tell up like this virtualization is a solution which has come and benefited many customers, those who are having multiple locations, branches, and especially in cases of today like work from home scenarios. Now all the users those who are using Tally virtually can log in from anywhere and I can access Tally and perform their daily activities without any hurdles. So this is proven to be the best solution in the current scenario. Now basically understanding all these scenarios and Tally usage, Tally have launched the Tally Virtual Pack. Now the Tally Virtual Pack is a change in a licensing policy for all the Tally users who are using Tally via virtual tools from 1st May 2021. Now all those users, those who are actually accessing Tally through an RDP or could be cloud, they have to be entitled for TVU pack for all their users. Now since this policy has been come up in place from 1st May 2021, with understanding all those scenarios and the virtual usage, Tally have allotted free packs to all its license type customers. Now, a single user license customer is being entitled to get 1 free Tally virtual pack. A gold customer is entitled to get 10 free Tally value packs. A server 9 customer is entitled to get 20 free Tally virtual packs. Now, in a scenario where a client is using a Tally server 9 along with a gold license, so they will be entitled to get 30 Tally virtual packs. Now we'll learn in its understanding in the scenario how this actually works. So we'll take a scenario wherein a customer is using a silver license in his office and is entitled to get a 1 Tally value pack. So if an accountant is using a Tally at his office and the owner simultaneously want to use the single user license through a virtual network, can he be able to use it? So yes, Tally says yes, the customer or the owner can use Tally concurrently via server through a virtual desktop, provided gives the same machine names in request. That means in a single user, a local desktop person can use it. With an addition, a virtual user also can use it. Now we'll come to a scenario where he is a gold customer, that is, he is a multi-user customer. He is having a multi-user installed at his office. He is having 10 users who is working at his office with a LAN connectivity, and he also has a 10 users who will be using Tally through virtually, maybe at home or maybe at any other location. So Tally says yes, LAN users does not fall under the preview of TVU. All these 10 users can run, RDP users can run one instance in a virtual environment. Now we'll understand what is this one instance according to Tally in a virtual environment means. We'll take an example of a multi-user case. A multi-user person is using an RDP and he is having 10 users to access Tally through RDP. Now every user, when he opens one Tally in his PC, means he has opened one instance of Tally. Now all these 9 users has opened one instance of Tally. So in this case, if for example, if a second person, user 2, operates 2 instances of Tally, so will the user 10 for which Tally says here for a multi-user customer, 10 Tally value user pack will be allotted as free. So will the 10th user will be able to access the Tally? Tally says no, because the 10 instance which has been given as a free to the user has been already consumed, since the second user has opened 2 Tally in his PC. So now what error would the 10th user get on his PC? So we'll understand in the next slide what is the error what he gets. So the 10th user, when he opens his Tally, this Tally will go into an educational mode and will display a message that the Tally virtual pack has reached its limit, and he will not be able to operate Tally. Now in case the customer, when he has already utilized the 10 free user pack, now what about my other users? If, for example, in an environment when he is a multi-user and he has more than 10 users, how would my other users operate Tally in a virtual environment? So Tally says yes, the other people also can access Tally. So how are they going to access it? Now we'll come to commercials about it. Tally says, yeah, apart from the 10 free pack, the 11th user, from the 11th user, Tally is going to charge 100 rupees per month per user, but Tally is going to bill it annually. That is, it is not going to bill it monthly basis, nor quarterly, nor halfly, but it is going to bill it on an annual basis. That is 100 per user per month, which comes to 1,200 rupees per user. So in a scenario where the client is having more than 10 users and he wants to use it in a virtual scenario, all the additional packs has to be purchased from Tally with a Tally virtual user. Now Tally also have come up with a slab discount wherein it benefits the customers who are having more users. There is a slab limit, up to 4. There's no discount. More than 5, you're getting a 10% discount. From 15 to 24, you're getting a 15% discount. 25 to 99 quantities, you're getting a 20% discount. 100 and above, you're going to get a 25% of discount. So this is a slab discount wherein more than 4 packs, if need to be purchased, JLR will enter this slab. Now if someone asks this, I am a single user, I am entitled to only one single user TVU pack. If suppose if I need more than one user of TVU pack, can I avail it? The Tally says no, a single user is entitled to get only one TVU free pack. But if that single user license is converted into a multi-user, he would be eligible to get a 10 free TVU packs. Now we'll come down to the section that how do customers purchase this TVU pack. So customers can purchase this TVU pack from their Tally service provider by placing an order from their control center. Now what is this control center? So we'll understand from the next slide from where to log in the control center. Customers have to log into www.tallysolutions.com, wherein they'll get a screen where they have to enter their Tally.net user ID and Tally.net password. This ID and password is normally used by the customers to reactivate your licenses or surrender your licenses. The same email ID can be used to log in on the control center of Tally. Now, once the customer has logged into the control center, he can go to the licensing management, accounts management. He has entered the license management. A serial number would be displayed over here, and on a part of here, he'll be getting a display that how many free packs he is eligible to get. So as soon as he gets, he's a multi-user, I'm getting a 10 free enable pack. So I'll enable the free pack from here. I'll come to the next screen. I'll mention the required quantity over here, and I'll click on submit. As soon as the customer clicks on the submit button, the same request could be received by their local service provider. The local service provider will get in touch with the same customers and then they'll do the further process. Now, along with this Tally Virtual Pack, Tally has come with a scenario which they have introduced known as wallet process. Now we'll understand what is this wallet. So the scenario, now customer is using a gold license. He has purchased 2 TVU packs in the month of May. The expiry date is set as May 2022. Now after the purchase of 2 TVU packs, the customer in the month of December decides that I don't require 1 TVU pack. So can I surrender it? Yes. He can surrender his 1 TVU pack. And the 5 months which is balanced will be added to his wallet. Now when the time comes, like in the month of May, when he has to renew the 1 TVU pack which he has purchased, he can either consume the wallet months, and his existing TVU date will be set as October, adding the 5 months from the May till end at October 2022. With the instance of first day, he undergoes no commercials. But in another instance, if he thinks that he needs to purchase a new pack, so in this case, what Tally does is it will consume the 5 months from its wallet, and the customer will be asked to pay for the remaining 7 months, that is 100 per month, it comes to 700. And once the order is approved, the TVU will be extended as May 2023. So basically, these are the scenarios or the new licensing policies of pack what Tally have launched. So all the customers who are using Tally virtually, could be through Tally on Cloud, RDP, has to undergo this Tally virtual pack so that all his users can access Tally virtually. Now beyond this limit of free, whatever packs they need to use it, they have to purchase that TVU pack. So this is all about the TVU pack policies, and thank you. Here we end.
Thank you, Mrs. Bridgie, and it was pleasure to have your presentation here. You have some more things to add on here?
No, Deepa, no.
Okay, thank you. All right, so this is what all about TVU, Tally Virtual Users or Users. So it is very important in this scenario to understand what is the virtual use, how virtually we can work, how virtually we can make our business stable. So this is the most important thing, and these are the steps. I think Mrs. Bridgie really explained very clearly that how the Tally virtual users are to be taken. This can we take the right advantage of this. So now let me just involve one more resource person here. So Mr. Bhagwati, are you here?
Yes, Deepa, thank you.
Yes, Mr. Bhagwati, you can please proceed ahead here onto the additional add-ons. I think beyond this PPT, I think the generic things are more can give more visibility, or I can say can give more highlights to the spec. So it's over to you, Mr. Bhagwati, for the additional add-ons onto today's topic.
Yeah, thank you, Deepa. Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Bhagwati Jhandaria from Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. So in terms of the Tally Virtual User, yeah, this is a new licensing policies. Earlier, we are using licenses in the offline only. So that's why there is not any chances to, create any type of policy for the virtual user. Okay. So in the COVID scenario, people are using Tally and in terms of the online. So definitely the licensing policy is also there. So we need to create a new licensing policy. We have to change the licensing policy as per the virtual. As per the market scenario, as per COVID scenario, as per the multiple opportunities are there for the customers, and customer is also keen about the licenses, and they also are very serious about the licensing misuse of the licenses. So in that scenario, Tally come with in a picture in terms of the new licensing policy. This new licensing policy already come with last year 2020, but this is applicable from the 1st May as per the British told. Okay. So now in this Tally virtual user, this is a simple, just like a Microsoft RDP licenses. Same way, every type of software, they are in the virtual and they are in the offline. There is a two type of licenses. One is a offline licenses, second is a virtual licenses. Same way, you are using Microsoft Windows in offline, you have no need additional licenses. You are using the online, definitely you have need a remote desktop licenses like that. Same way in terms of the Tally, just for your comfort levels, just I am connecting with the Microsoft. That's why otherwise nothing is there. We are talking about the Tally one. Okay. So same terms. Earlier, all the customers are using Tally in the offline in his office one. Okay. So that time people are using Tally single user and in the single one PCs. You can't use in another PCs same time. And in terms of the multi-user, you can use unlimited PC throughout the LAN in your office. Now in the COVID scenario, people are online. They are using software online. They are hosting that software. It may be they install the Tally in his office. They want to use throughout the remote desktop, throughout the RDP, throughout the another remote desktop applications. In the case, licensing policy is not there for the virtual user, so many of the people are misuse that licenses in terms of there is a chances to misuse. Another people can access also in terms of the virtual. So Tally come with this virtual licensing policy and people are using that. Just you connect for the single user, you are using your licenses, you want to use the remote, you can access through the RDP and you can host your licenses on the cloud like AWS, like Google, like Azure, or like local any other data centers, and you can use throughout the remote. For the single user, you can use single one user in the single user, that is a TUV pack is free with the single user licenses. And single user licenses is giving the opportunity for the single user only. One time, there is not any concurrent user for the second user. So that TV pack, you have no need to add a new TV pack. You can't access single user license without two TV pack like that. Second, in terms of the multi-user. Here, multi-user licenses you are using through the LAN in your office, but you also want to use remotely. Yes, definitely you can use. You can use 10 users parallelly as a concurrent user, or you want to host your license on any data center like AWS, I already told you. So only 10 people can access throughout the remote desktop, and if you have a 12 user, so you have need to buy the 2 GPU pack. If you have a 20 user, you have need this is a concurrent. 12 users are working concurrently. In the concurrency, they are using 12 users. Definitely, they have needed 2 GPU pack. But there is a 12 user, but only 10 users are using. So you have no need to buy the additional GPU pack. So it's depend on, because there is a 10 GPU pack is free. That is providing the free GPU pack licenses. So you have no need to invest. But you are using much more beyond 10. So you have need to buy two additional GPU pack licenses. There is a slab also. And in third scenario, you have a Tally server. Many of the big organizations, they are using Tally server licenses. So with the Tally server licenses, Tally is providing the 20 GPU pack additional. Okay, Tally server licenses is always working on the Tally multi-user licenses, gold licenses. So that time, in that scenario, you have 10 GPU pack with the gold user, 20 GPU pack with the server licenses, it means you have a total 30 TBU pack user. So your 30 user can use concurrently. Your 30 user can use concurrently in the any location throughout the virtual pack. And you have need much more user, definitely you buy additional TBU pack. You have no need to pay for the 1 to 30 numbers. You have need to pay, for example, if you have a 34 user, so you will pay only 4 users. If you have a 40 user, you will pay for the 10 users. So, and you are numbers of the user you will increase, definitely you will get the good numbers of the discount also. If you are buying 100 users TBU, definitely you will get a 25% discount. This is a very good thing. And in second scenario, you are not using for timing, you don't want to use the TBU pack. So there is a wallet options. You can surrender, you can reserve, and you can use whenever you want. You can also subscribe and evaluate. So this is a very beautiful policy in terms of the licenses, and your license is very secure, and you have no need to any type of fear of the misuse the licensing. So this is a very good policy in terms of the licenses. And in terms of the services, I am talking, you have need to use Tally in the virtual world. So this is a one part. I think you all are clear about that things. If you have need any type of questions, you can put in the chat box. So I am here for the answer. Okay. And now in the second part, when you have need, for example, now you are in the COVID scenario, you are at the home, your license in the office, and your data in the office. You want to use your licenses in the global world. I want to use a license कि मैं अभी अपने घर से यूज करूँगा, मेरा एम्प्लॉई अपने घर से यूज करेगा, and multiple employee you have multiple licenses. You want to use in the multiple locations and same data and same Tally license. Yes, this facility is there. We are providing these services. Tally on Cloud services. That's called Tally on Cloud services. We are providing. So you can host your licenses and also with the data, and you can just go in the any browser like Safari, Chrome, Mozilla, and etc. Go in the URL, log in, and start your Tally. You can use 10 people can use concurrently, and plus the 10 plus you have need a virtual license. Otherwise, you can enjoy with the 10 minutes. So this is your overall scenario. So now you can use the Tally in the cloud also, and anywhere in the world. In the COVID scenario, your work will not, आपका काम कहीं भी नहीं रुकेगा, and your work will not disrupt, and you can enjoy your licenses with your data anywhere in the world. This is a very beautiful policies of the Tally licensing, and now people are enjoying with them, and there is I think you all are clear about all the stuffs. Any type of questions and queries, you can connect with us throughout my numbers, throughout your account manager. They are in the Rajlakshmi, you are connected with Rajlakshmi Solutions, and you can also put the mail. And for this video, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can check this video after a few days. Okay. That's it from my side, Deepa. Thank you very much. Hello. Yeah, Deepa, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I was speaking on mute. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bhagwati, for this update. So just give me one moment, Mr. Bhagwati. Just give me one moment. Yes. So basically, I think we are clear with many concepts onto this Tally virtual user. So I think most of them would have understood much better what is the reality of today's scenario and what would be the scenarios tomorrow. So by planning everything, it is most important that today you are supposed to understand the Tally virtual user, and you are supposed to upgrade yourself onto this particular Tally virtual user to make your work flexible, as well as to avoid the distractions and the interruptions into your business. Well, altogetherly, so now I must say here, if you have any questions, request you to please update in the comment box. Mr. Bhagwati, request you to please check onto the comment box. Is there any questions over there?
No, there is not any questions.
Raise your hands also, wherein we can discuss onto the doubts and questions over here. Check out, Mr. Bhagwati.
Yeah, this time there is not any questions. Right now there are no questions.
Okay, no problem. All right. People, it is very clear now. We had explained you what happens, how things are supposed to be moved on. But in case आपको यहाँ पे कोई doubt है या फिर कोई questions है, request you to please update us. Please connect us through mail, call, WhatsApp, and message. And you can use some other mode also. We are open to support you onto this. As of now, I'm not finding any questions. Mr. Bhagwati, if you find any question, request you to please.
Yeah. One question is there from Mrs. Mahalakshmi Multiples. Yeah, yes, they want to know silver license with the one user. Yeah, definitely. With the silver license, one TV pack is there. When you want to that cloud services, once you host your licenses on the cloud, and you can access that freely. You have no need to pay for the TVU pack. And in terms of the TVU pack, you have no need to pay anything.
Okay, after this, if you really wanted to know much more, request you to please connect us. Mahalakshmi Multiple, request you to specifically for you, request you to please connect us. We can personally discuss many things onto this, and we can even clear much more doubts if you have anything onto this. Thank you so much for contributing your question. So, is there any other question, Mr. Bhagwati?
No, there is not any questions. I think
fine. Fair enough. So, as I specifically said here, आप लोगों को अगर इंडिविजुअली भी इन चीज़ों के ऊपर जानना चाहते हो तो ज़रूर आप हमें कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. एंड वी आर ओपन फॉर योर क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो, एंड वी आर ओपन फॉर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स और एनी क्वेश्चंस ऑन टू एनी अदर टॉपिक ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज do suggest as the topic, क्योंकि TVU was also a suggested topic by the audience itself. And moreover, onto this, request you to please subscribe our channel. अभी आपको ऑलरेडी कमेंट बॉक्स में डिटेल्स आपको डाल दिया गया है. यहाँ पे अपना सपोर्ट का कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है, अपना जेनरिक कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर है, और वेबसाइट डिटेल्स है, और यूट्यूब चैनल का लिंक है. जरूर इस यूट्यूब चैनल के लिंक और डिटेल्स को अभी नोट कर लीजिएगा, बिकॉज वंस वी डिस्कनेक्ट दिस कॉल यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू एक्सेस दिस नंबर. बट यस, इजीली जाके गूगल पे टाइप कर सकते हो www.rajlakshmiball.com. It's very easy and simple to get all the contact details, and you'll get much more information and the movements of Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. Well, so now we have come to the end of the topic today. So beyond this, I just need to tell you certain things. जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला है, I'm going to repeat in different way the same thing. We are open 24/7. We are here to support you. There is no scenario situation of pandemic. Be confident and be safe. That is the most important thing. And in terms of business, never ever have a second thought onto business, because we are here to support you. And yes, it is the confidence and it is the hope that is going to balance our business as well as the management. So for that, we are hoping to support you. Do connect us for any kind of discussion, for any kind of like advisory services, etc. And yes, we are running out the paid training also for the complete organization. For example, आपके organization में कोई एक टॉपिक के ऊपर कोई स्पेसिफिक ट्रेनिंग चाहिए तो आप प्लीज हमें कनेक्ट कर लीजिएगा. We will give you the justified quotation, और आपके जितने नंबर्स होगा उस सबको लेते हुए हम आपको एक जस्टिफाइड कोटेशन दे देंगे. फिर आपको भी हम पेड ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं. We are already running up multiple batches of paid training, so please join us on to paid training, as well as we have free training, so you can join and even your team can join here onto the free training too. And yes, specifically I would like to mention certain things here, that is to set up a work from home system, do connect us. To set up the digital social media marketing like scenarios or channels, do connect us. We are open for that. To set up the complete HR system of the organization, do connect us. Specifically, these things are most important for an organization. We are here completely with the confidence to support you in all the scenarios. So do connect us and take the right advantage of Rajalakshmi Solutions Private Limited. So, Mrs. Bridgie, do you have any more things to add on here?
No, Deepa. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mrs. Bridgie. It was really a productive presentation, and I think the spectators would have got the real advantage of this session. And of course, we are expecting much more calls onto this particular topic. Yes. So, Mr. Bhagwati, do you have here?
No, Deepa, thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bhagwati, for your add-on here and acting here as a resource person. It was really pleasure hearing you. And altogetherly, thanks to all here. So do connect us for any kind of doubts, questions, etc. And thank you so much for your valuable time and patience. It really matters. And this is the energy booster of we all togetherly. And yes, we are working 24/7 just to support you and just to hold you. Stay safe, stay confident. See you soon in the next webinar. Thank you so much and take care. Bye-bye.